In this tutorial, I will show how to model a slate board and an ice mountain with natural environment in Maya. Go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cube, press F to zoom or focus in, and type 0.5 along scale y-axis, just like this, and scale z-axis type 14. Press R to activate scale tool and scale it just like this to make it thin. Now move it up just like here. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and scale it just like this. Now go to side view, move it up just like here and move it here. Select these two objects, go to modify freeze transformation, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now click on this icon. This will open modeling toolkit menu and select face selection mode. Select this face, shift select this face, object mode, go to mesh, click separate mesh, select this, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it here. Select these two objects, again go to mesh, click combine, go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Now open the modeling toolkit menu, face selection mode, select these two face, select this face, shift select this face, press delete. Now go to edge selection mode, double click on this edge, shift double click here. Now go to edit mesh, click bridge, curve type, select blend, and direction target, select plus, and increase division, type division 10. Now go to object mode, select this, go to edit, delete by type, delete history, select this, press 0 on translate x axis. This will adjust here. Now select scale tool and scale just like this. Now go to perspective view and again side view, move it up just like here, type translate y 1.2 and go to vertex mode, select this vertex, object mode, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and go to modify freeze transformation and move it here. Now select this, go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move it here. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode, move it just like here. Now go to perspective view, turn on wireframe on shaded mode on perspective view. Now again go to top view, object mode, select these two objects and move it here, just like here. Take another polygon cube and move it here. Just like this. Go to perspective view and move it up. Select this, press Ctrl plus H to hide it. Now select this, press F to zoom or focus in and scale it along x-axis, just like this. Scale to make it thin. Now go to side view and move it to adjust to this grid line. Now go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move it here. And go to object mode, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it here, just like here. Now select these two objects, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to face selection mode, select this face, shift select this face, press delete. Now go to edge mode, double click on this edge, shift plus double click on this edge. Again go to edit mesh, click bridge, select curve type blend, increase division, just like this. Now press T on your keyboard to show the poly bridge edge option. Type division 9. Now go to top view, and go to object mode, press F to zoom or focus in. Now go to face selection mode, select half of the face, press delete. Again go to object mode, now again go to top view, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, press F to zoom or focus in and move it just here to adjust. Again go to position is right, go to side view and see, go to front view and see, move it slightly up. Again go to top view and move it just like here. Go to perspective view, again select this, unhide the hidden polygon and type 0 on translate z-axis and put it back here. Now move it here and go to vertex mode. Now go to side view, move the vertex just like here. Again go to top view, select this vertex and put it here. Now go to object mode, go to perspective view, edge mode, select this edge, shift select this edge, and this edge. Now go to edit mesh, click bevel just like this, segment increase, take 3. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Again go to top view, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move it here just like this. Now go to perspective view, again select this edge, shift select this edge and this edge, shift select this edge, go to edit mesh, click bevel, type segment 3. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Again select this, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and scale it just like this and rotate it along y-axis, type 90°. Now go to side view, press F to zoom or focus in and move it just like here. Again go to perspective view, and rotate it along y-axis, type 90, just like this. Now move it just like here. And select these two objects and move just like here. Now again go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move it up just like here. Again object mode, Again, take a polygon cube and move it just here. Press F to zoom or focus in. Again, move it up just like here. Move it here. Move it up. Now select scale tool and scale it just like this. Go to wireframe mode and scale slightly just like this. Go to shaded mode. Face selection mode, select this face. Go to edit mesh, click extrude or press Ctrl plus E and move it here. Again go to edit mesh, click extrude and move it here. Now go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move it up just like this. Now go to object mode